In this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways to clear the cache from your iPhone, and at the end, another tip that'll help keep your device running fast. iOS is a fast and responsive operating system, but over time, especially when you use your iPhone for everything, which is pretty much all of us now, you may notice a bit of a lag or bugginess. That could be caused by the storage on your device being taken up by the system and application cache memory. Cache is just small bits of temporary files that are saved on your device, which are supposed to make browsing things like pages that you visit often on the web browser a little quicker. Over time though, those add up and take up storage space, slowing your device down. To clear the iPhone's cache, we'll start by deleting the cache inside of Safari. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Safari inside of here. Scroll down almost to the bottom of this menu, and you'll see Clear History and Website Data. Choose that. You'll then get a pop-up window letting you know that by doing this, you'll be removing history, cookies, and other browsing data from your device. If you want to clear everything, hit Clear History and Data. You do have another option though if you would like to keep your history and cookie data and just remove the website cache alone. Back out to the Safari menu again, and at the bottom of this screen, choose Advanced. At the top in here, choose Website Data. Let this load for a minute, and when it's done, tap Remove All Website Data at the bottom. This will then remove just the website cache, but keep all of your browsing history. Next, and the second way we're going to look at clearing cache, is by deleting or removing specific app cache. Head back to the main settings menu and then choose General. Next, in the middle of the screen, tap iPhone Storage. Let this screen load for a minute, and once it does, you'll see a list of all the apps on your iPhone and the space that they use. We'll look for example here at ABC Mouse. If I select it, we can see that the app size is 563 megabytes, but the data alone is 388 megabytes. We have 2 options. First, we can offload the app, which will free up storage used by the app itself, and if you use it in the future, we'll then just put the data back in place. The other option is if we know that we're never going to use the app in the future, we can delete the app. This will then clear all the app data and cache and save even more room. You can then spend some time going through this menu and offloading or deleting apps to save space and clear data cache. One last tip, you can set your iPhone to automatically offload unused apps if you know that you would like to use this feature. To enable this, head back to the main settings menu, scroll down and then choose App Store. Scroll down to the bottom inside of here, and you'll see Offload Unused Apps. Tap the slider on the right to turn this feature on. Now it will automatically offload apps that you haven't used in a while, and if you do open one that's been offloaded, it will just quickly reinstall the app and all its data. And that's how you clear cache, freeing up space and speeding up your iPhone.